Okay, let's continue. Number 4. A battery manufacturer claims its batteries last 20 hours. A consumer group sets alpha is equal to 0.1 for testing. What does this choice of alpha imply? Given battery manufacturer claims life is 20 hours, alpha 0.10. Required. Explain. Alpha is equal to 0.10 implies. Solution. Alpha equal to 0.1 means a 10% risk of rejecting the true null hypothesis, meaning a higher tolerance for a type 1 error. Final answer, 10% chance of type 1 error. Number 5. A factory tests whether a new machine reduces defects. Explain the consequences of committing a type 2 error. So given, factory tests if a new machine reduces defects. So required, explain consequences of type 2 error. So solution, type 2 error means failing to reject HO when the machine truly reduces defects. The factory might miss improvement. Final answer, concluding the machine does not reduce defects when it actually does. Number 6. A medical test checks whether a patient has a disease. Define the possible type 1 error and type 2 error. So we're given medical test for disease. Required. Define type 1 and type 2 error. Solution. Type 1. Diagnosing disease when patient is healthy. Type 2. Failing to detect disease when patient has it. Final answer, type 1 is false positive and type 2 is false negative. Number 7. A restaurant claims its average customer waiting time is 15 minutes. If alpha is equal to 0.05, what is the chance of rejecting HO when it is true? Given, restaurant claims waiting time is 15 minutes. Alpha is 0.05. Required, what is the chance of rejecting HO when true? Solution, alpha is equals to 0.05 means 5% probability of type 1 error. Final answer, 5% chance of rejecting HO when it is true. Number 8. A city government studies if the average daily water usage exceeds 200 liters. Identify the type 1 error and type 2 error. Given city studies if water use exceeds 200 liters. Required, identify type 1 and type 2 errors. Solution. Type 1, concluding water use is greater than 200 liter when it is not. Type 2, concluding water use is less than or equal to 200 when it is actually more. Final answer, type 1 is the false alarm of high usage. Type 2 means missing through overuse. Number 9. A soft drink company tests if sugar content is greater than 10 grams. At alpha equal to 0.01, what does rejecting HO imply about the error risk? So we're given soft drink company test sugar greater than 10 grams at alpha is equal to 0.01. So required, explain what rejecting HO means. So solution, rejecting HO means concluding sugar greater than 10 grams with a 1% risk of error. So the final answer, 1% risk of wrongly concluding sugar exceeds 10 grams. Next, number 10. A teacher claims that the average score in her class is 75. If alpha is 0.05, what is the probability of making a type 1 error? Given, teacher claims average score is 75. Alpha is equal to 0.05. So required, what is the probability of type 1 error? Solution. Alpha is 0.05 means 5% chance of rejecting a true null hypothesis. Final answer, 5% probability of type 1 error. Number 11. A bank test if its loan approval time exceeds 3 days. Explain the meaning of type 2 error in this context. Given, bank test if loan approval is greater than 3 days. So required, meaning of type 2 error. Solution. Type 2 error means failing to detect longer approval time when it is actually longer. Final answer, concluding approval time is less than or equal to 3 days when it really takes longer. Number 12. In a medical study, alpha is 0.05. Alpha is equal to 0.05 is chosen. Explain why a stricter alpha equal to 0.01 might be more appropriate in life-threatening cases. So we're given a medical study alpha equal to 0.05 versus alpha equal to 0.01 required. Why a stricter alpha equal to 0.01 is better? Solution. Lower alpha reduces type 1 error, which is important in life-threatening decisions. Final answer. To minimize false conclusions about treatment effectiveness. Number 13. A researcher tests if the average commuting time in a city is 45 minutes. Define the type 1 error. So we're given average commute time is equal to 45 minutes. So required, define type 1 error. So solution, type 1 error means concluding average not equal to 45 minutes when it is actually 45 minutes. Final answer, rejecting the true null hypothesis about computing time. Number 14. A fertilizer company tests if its product increases crop yield. Define the type 2 error. So we're given fertilizer tested for yield increase. Required, define type 2 error. Solution, type 2 error, failing to detect yield increase when fertilizer truly increases it. Final answer, missing the real effect of the fertilizer. Number 15. A hospital tests if a new therapy shortens recovery time. If alpha is 0.1, what is the risk of type 1 error? So we're given hospital test new therapy. Alpha is equal to 0.10. Required, what is the risk of type 1 error? Solution, alpha is equal to 0.10 means 10% chance of rejecting a true null hypothesis. Final answer, 10% chance of type 1 error. Number 16. A mobile phone company claims battery life is 12 hours. What is the type 1 error if a researcher rejects this claim incorrectly? Given, phone company claims battery is equal to 12 hours. Required, what is type 1 error? Solution, type 1 error is rejecting claim when battery life is actually 12 hours. Final answer, concluding battery life is not equal to 12 hours when it is true. We will have the next part of this quarter 4 data and probability lesson Roman numeral number 9.